Hi, we're in part three of the discussion about Taiwan and China's relations. Taiwan's the world's top contract manufacturer of semiconductor chips, and its industry is booming despite cross-strait tensions. These chips are found in most electronics, including smartphones, computers, vehicles, and even weapon systems. Much of that can be attributed to Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company called TSMC, the world's largest contract chip maker and the top supplier for Apple and other U.S. companies. It's one of only two companies in the world, the other is in South Korea, that have the technological know-how to make the smallest, most advanced chips, and it manufactures nearly 90% of them. Some experts argue that the United States' dependence on Taiwanese chip firms heightens its motivation to defend Taiwan from a Chinese attack. By the same token, I believe that part of the reason China covets Taiwan is because of this huge chip industry. They need the chips. Recognizing the extent to which the United States relies on one company for critical chips, Biden has led a push to strengthen the U.S. chip industry. And I would tell you also that TSMC is looking at establishing a large manufacturing facility in Phoenix. China also relies on Taiwanese chips, though not as much as the United States does. Beijing is working to boost its industry, especially as Washington has pushed TSMC to stop selling to Chinese companies, including Huawei. So I'm going to stop there. That is the gist of this discussion. I urge you to read the whole article. It's very interesting and very important and very relevant. So I'm going to stop there. Thank you.